Hey guys, welcome to our new video. This video is about the best rowing machine. After deep research, we list the best rowing machines for your needs and budgets. In this video, we will review the best 5 rowing machines. We select all products depending on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Our number 5 pick is the NordicTrack RW900. When it comes to a high-end rower, the NordicTrack RW900 is leading the way. It features a large 22 pivoting touch display with on-demand access to more than 12,000 intriguing and challenging exercises. And get this, the resistance degree of your rower automatically adjusts based on the exercise you're doing. Just how amazing is that? You don't need to fuss with changing the resistance mid-workout. You can merely comply with the program, etc. It is taken care of on autopilot. When it involves the riding experience, it gets on point. It's swashed, so it's simple to hear the fitness instructor prompting you on display, and if you wish to make your point, there are 26 levels of resistance you can merely adjust on your own. When you're done, you can tune into any yoga, extending, or stamina training courses in the iFit library. On the whole, if you have a spending plan, you'll like this rower. Our number 4 pick is the Fitness Reality 1000 Bluetooth rowing machine. The Physical Fitness Fact 1000 is a beautiful starter maker. It has all the right stuff you require, including 14 degrees of magnetic resistance, so you can increase or decrease the strength to match your physical fitness degree. However, there are a few unique attributes that divide this from various other inexpensive rowers. The very first is their free My Cloud Fitness application, iPhone and Android. When you download the app, your phone will sync with your rower to track every one of your statistics. It monitors your workouts, steps, calories, distance, speed, and more. You likewise have the alternative to upgrade your app for accessibility to numerous trainer-led videos. One of the other cool features is that you can again do bodybuilding exercises like above triceps extensions, curls, lateral elevates, and front elevates for shoulders. As for the rowing experience, it's smooth and very peaceful, like dead quiet. The seat and bar are likewise both padded, so it's no problem to use this for extended sessions. That being said, while it has 14 degrees of resistance, you will undoubtedly outgrow it and wish to upgrade as you boost your cardio and conditioning. Our number 3 pick is the Water Rower. The Water Rower gets on par with Concepto regarding top quality goes. The primary distinction between them comes down to the reality that one person utilizes water for resistance, and the other uses an air flywheel. So, if you remain in the marketplace for water rowing equipment that looks incredibly stylish and has credibility or high quality, look no more. You can acquire the Water Rower in a range of timbers and a steel choice if you're so likely. It has a dual rail system and cushioned seat that silently glides along. Because it's made from wood, it takes in vibrations, so the only audio you hear when rowing is the gentle whoosh of the water. It's a simple yet challenging exercise. Speaking of tough, you regulate the resistance by adding or getting rid of water from the container. This rower gives the most practical comparison to rowing an actual watercraft on the water. Our number 2 pick is the Stamina ITS Air Rower 1403. The Stamina ITS is one more wonderful rowing equipment for small areas. Suppose you get on the taller side or merely desire an air rower instead of a hydraulic rower like the Endurance 1050. This is your next best alternative for a rower for tiny spaces. It folds right into a space-saving design that occupies about 2.5 square feet when not in use. It would not be a stretch to put this away in a tiny closet. There are a couple of things that make it stand out. Firstly, it's an air rower that does not make a ton of noise and, as you may currently recognize, regulated resistance based upon your initiative. Simply put, the more difficult you paddle, the more resistance you obtain. This is great for all levels of professional athletes, including beginners and progressed. Additionally, if you enjoy longer row sessions, you'll be happy to understand it has a padded seat and a soft grass bar to avoid calluses and discomfort in the middle. Regarding tracking your statistics, the ITS 1403 tracks your rate, distance, time, and calories burned. It also has the chat mode that cycles through your stats while rowing. Our number 1 pick is the Concepto. Concepto is considered to be the typical gold rower. It's used for all main times tape recorded in CrossFit competitions and is long-lasting with a 500 lb weight capacity. One thing that separates Concepto from the remainder of the pack is that it's lightweight and breaks down right into 2 pieces, so it's easy to save off the beaten track. Additionally, it has a PM5 monitor, which is hands down the best screen in the sector. It does not simply track stats and also shows data. It synchronizes with your phone. You can connect a USB to it, download your statistics, and even upload your information straight to their on the internet system so you can inspect your ratings vs various other Concepto rowers worldwide. To know the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. You can comment below if you have any questions about these 5 products. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.